The 2010 month of February was on pace to be the driest February all time, with the third worst snowpack. That was until today, when Mother Nature decided to wake up. What started early Tuesday night continued to fall Wednesday morning. Students awoke to be greeted with a fresh 8 inches of snow, with no signs for stopping for hours. All around campus, the talk of snow dominated the conversation. Snowball fights, snowmen, snow angels were to be built and planned. University of Vermont officials and crews worked hard throughout the day to keep side roads past the 6 feet safe. However, Mother Nature still took its toll on what had been a bone-dry campus. A few minor accidents had Burlington officers up on athletic campus. However, nothing could put a damper on the white day UVMers had been waiting for. For a lot of people today, school was canceled, with a trip to the mountain planned ahead of them.
Going skiing, yo, skipping class.
The snow continued to fall into the afternoon, with another 1 to 2 inches projected into the night. With a warmer day ahead, the snowpack could be short-lived, but this late February storm was a little gesture by Mother Nature to let us know she isn't completely asleep. But the snow definitely awoke the UVM campus. I'm UVM TV weatherman Danny Metcalf. Hope you enjoyed the snowfall. Have fun tonight, guys.